Yeah, I'm a big anti-cop guy, man. Don't, you take the pasta after a little bit away, right? Fucking put the fucking garbage and take it into your system, You gotta seek the proteins, meat, motherfucker. With the predator, motherfucker. We're alpha one predator, motherfucker. We eat other animals. You understand, motherfucker? We eat other animals. We eat fucking everything that moves if we fucking desire, including each other. Yeah. You understand? Humanity survives because predatory nature exists.